Oh yeah. Throw your threes up. Trust and believe the changes in your hands. Go ahead and take a stand, throw them up. Just believe you could do it. Hard work, that'll work. Every step will take you to it. Throw them up, throw them up, throw them up, throw them up, throw them up. Throw your threes up. Throw them up, throw them up, throw them up, throw them up, throw them up. Throw your threes up.
Hello, my name is Schirlyn Kamara, and I'm with Youth Go Green Summer Camp under Hands on Hope program organization, nonprofit organization. And this year we got to meet Mr. Ellis with Throw Your Threes Up. Excellent program for the young people. And worked with the children on multiplicational rapping and songs where they wrote, and they also learned about multiplication as they worked with him, and they loved it. The kids absolutely loved it. They couldn't wait till he came in at the time that he was going to show up every day. They're like, is Mr. Ellis coming in? And I'd have to let them know, yes. At the end of the week, they did a performance on what they learned throughout the week, and every day they would have to give a quote based on something that he would have taught them the day before. And I'm telling you, the program is excellent. It's really excellent. And the kids learned a lot. Thank you.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25. First you put your fives together, then you multiply. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now you got it, let me see you bounce with me. Let me see you bounce with me. Let me see you bounce with me. Watch me count on them. Watch me count on them. You ready? 5, 10, 15, 20.